In this section we continue to create a mold, because we have made some simulation, and we compare both the simulation, and also I want to show some adjustment that we made it, because we create two different design, and it was here, it was that fillet, we created fillet here. It was also, we made some adjustment in runner system, and we move some face here in this area, and also we create this fillet here. And we can see it was some chains, and in that section we make it bigger because we want to use more filter for casting, and it was better, and also it's in practice it's better when you cast it. Now I want to control draft and see which side it's stuck piece. And I made it 10 degree, and we see in this side we have a 5, and this side we have a 10, and piece should be stuck in this side. But also when we want to create a place for standard filter, we want to design a little, make some chains, but after when we create some chains also here in feeder, because I want to show you how we can make it. But I want to control again in which side it was draft. We need in another side to have it first up, and we go in sketch, we go extrude, we go with the offset, we go and we go up to surface, this surface, we go with the draft. When we go with the draft 5, it's enough. It's in wrong way, we need to change direction for draft. I create it like that because I want to, when we have a draft, it's go again, it's go down a little, I need to work. But we can go, only we can cut. We can say up to surface again, and it looks good. Now we have also here to stuck in this area, and also we have a filter and we have a draft, and part it's stuck in this side because I want to have it in this side injector plate. For create mold we go with the in plan again, and go, I want to create a sketch first. and we leave some space because when you fill it with aluminum, it's not good if it's so close because it's go up. We leave 40, it's enough. And also this we can leave 0.1 millimeter from here, because when we go with the indented command we need to have not in the same surface. Or we go a little bigger, 0.5. And also we can make from here, from bottom, it's we can go a little smaller, 35, it's enough. And for here it's no problem if we go close. And here if we go 20. Now we have a sketch, we can create a mold and we can make a two body. We go with the extrude cut and we go with the two body. We go 100, we test 100, it's too big. We go with the 80, I think it's enough. Yeah, 80 it's enough because we have a space for here and it's not too thin. And also be careful because if you go for example 50, we can go like that 50 test and it's so close, but when you warm, when it's a mold, it's hot and it bend it, it's better 100 or 85. And it's one body, and we can go in same sketch again. Now go with the extrude and only we change direction and it's another body. I want to change that color. And I want to create also material for mold. So there's some filter. Casting alloy steel. And also if we go material, we go material steel. I forgot to go in material and steel. Then we go this body, and also same should be also another body in this body. Why it's not both? And this body. And this part it's aluminium. And we can go with the casted aluminium. Now we have it correct. But first I want to go with the indent command with the filter and make some change, and after that we continue with the part. And I want to then also this, and we have it filter. We go fusion, or we can go yeah, we have it. And also we can search here and find indented command, and we can only bring it here when we need, and we can go indent, which it's a mold, and that it's a filter, and we go with a cut, and we leave a space 0.5 millimeter. And also we need to create in another mold. I can hit on this. We go same, and we go cut with same with a 0.5. Now we have it. Now we can measure and see which side we want to stop. We can clean, and we can measure here. It's 27. In this side we need to have a draft, and I want to show something here because I want to have it from here. I want to have it sketched, and I want to create from here. Because we need to have a draft when we put the filter inside, and I want to have it from this area to not in angle. It's a 10. Now I go like that, and we can hidden. Now we can hidden this part, and also we can split, and we can go with a split. I want to split face, 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 all face, and say OK. We can go up here and make parallel with a. We can go in plan, and we can make it parallel with this plan, and we can go create the plan, but in this point here, in this point. Now we can say OK, and we go with a draft. We have a draft here, but it was in that plan, in this plan, and we want to have a draft. This face, and also this face. And we have it. It's enough. But first I want to control if we have a draft, because it looks like it's create a draft. Or it's a create a draft, but I want to control if we have it's correct or not. We go from face, and we can go draft analysis, and we can calculate, and we can control it's 3, it's 3, 3, and 3. Yeah, we have a correct draft. And also we need to have also a draft. We need to have in another side. We can go in another side now, and also you can see here it's a little gap between filter and also a mold, but it's no problem for that. But I want to create another side. I can hidden this side, and we can go here. And we can create a draft from here, and we go this side, this side, this side, and on this side. We can go with the 3, or we go with the 2, it's a filter inside, it's no problem. And I can control for draft if it's correct or not. Yeah, it looks good. I can check in plan, make and remove, and change. And we can see we have a draft. Or we go with the 3, it's better because it's not good if it's stuck inside, if it's stuck filter in this side. We can go with the 3. Now we can create a color filter, and I want to have it in that color, and we can see better. Yeah, like that. Why we put filter like that, and one side it should be a little deeper, because when you put filter in this direction should be stuck here, and when it's close when it close a mold here, if it go filter down, and when it's come another mold, it touch and broken every time filter, and it's better if you go like that in one side. Now we continue with the next step. We go with the ident again. We can hidden filter, because we don't need more filter, and we can show part and ruler system, and we can go with the same command. We can say this, and we can say cut, and we don't want to have tolerance because it should be same. And we go in same method again. We go with the ident, and we can say cut, and then we can continue with the cut. Also we can go in another way with a combine. We can go with a combine, but I want to explain why I'm going with the ident. If we go with the combine, you can go with the subtract, and you can go this body and this body, but it depends. When you go with the combine, if you go like that, when you cut with the combine, you have it only mold, and it's this part, it's like a disappear, and you don't have it. And every time when you need to see if it's correct or no, it's better if you go with the idented, because yeah, we can try like that. Now you can see, now we have it piece, it's complete like that. But if you go with the idented command, I can delete, and if we go with the idented, you can see now. Yeah, you have also, it's also like a combine and subtract, and now yeah, we have it like that. And it's better if you work with the idented command, because if you go with the combine, when you want to compare if it's correct or no, you need to make a copy, one body and another, go with the combine, and you have it like ident, 2-step. And if you go direct, it's better like that. And now we have both, and we need to think in which area we want to have a pin for push out the piece, and also a back pin and orientation pin. But we continue in next lecture.